Dear learners, good afternoon. I hope you are all well at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, a senior assistant teacher, Mamun City Public High School, Sunutia Bazar, Jamalpur Sodor, Jamalpur. Welcome you to online class again. Today, I want to discuss about transformation of sentence. You know that transformation of sentence is two kinds: conversion of sentence and transformation of sentence. Conversion of sentence is changed according to direction from the bracket, but its meaning is also changed. And transformation of sentence is changed according to direction of the bracket, but its meaning is not changed. Look at the white board. I have written some sentences, structure and some example. I am going to teach you about transformation of sentence. At first, I want to discuss assertive to imperative. How you will change assertive to imperative? Look at the whiteboard. Number 1, you should help the poor. It is assertive sentence. When the assertive sentence is affirmative, you also know that assertive sentence is two kinds: affirmative and negative. When you change assertive to imperative, there are two types of sentence: affirmative and negative. First sentence is affirmative. If the sentence is affirmative, you will follow the following structure: main verb plus later parts of the verb. According to structure, you should try to change assertive to imperative. You should help the poor. When you change imperative, help the poor, look at the structure: main verb, it has main verb help, so you will set up help. Then later part of the verb, later part, it has later part the poor, help the poor. Is it clear? Now listen to another rule. Number 2, you do not laugh at the poor. When the affirmative sentence is negative, what will you do then? There is no problem. Look at the structure: don't or do not plus present form of the verb plus next parts of the verb. According to direction, according to structure, you can try to change from assertive to imperative the sentence: you do not laugh at the poor. You can try change it: do not or don't. Do not. Present form of the verb, present form of the verb, laugh, do not laugh, plus next part of the verb, it has next part at the poor, at the poor. Do not laugh at the poor according to structure. Do you understand? Number 3, you should never do this. If any assertive sentence has never, what will you do that time? There is no problem. You must memorize the structure. Never plus present form of the verb plus next parts of the verb. Try to change it: you should never do this. It is assertive sentence. When you change assertive sentence, you must follow. It has what type of sentence, what structure are given this sentence. You must memorize. You should never do this. According to structure, at first you set up never, then present form of the verb. What is the verb of the sentence? Do. Never do. Next rule, next parts of the verb. It has next part only this. Never do this. I think that it will very easy. Very easy. Number 4. When the assertive sentence has first person and third person, what will you do that time? Look at the structure. Let plus object of subject plus member plus extension. This subject is third person. Then you follow this structure. He plays hockey. According to structure, you set up let. At first you set up let, then object of subject. It has object he. Its object will be him. Let him. Plus main verb. It has main verb plays. When you change imperative, you don't add s or es, so that it will be play. Let him play plus extension. Extension only hockey. Let him play hockey. Is there any problem? Next, number 5. When the assertive sentence will be negative, what type of structure you will follow? Look at the structure. Let plus object of subject plus not plus main verb plus extension. We do not hate the poor. Look at the sentence. According to structure, you can try to change it. At first, you will set up let, then object of subject. It has object we. Its object will be us. Let us, then plus not. According to structure, you will set up not. Not plus main verb. It has main verb had. So you will set up had, then extension. It has extension the poor. Let us not hate the poor. Is there any problem? These are structure of imperative sentence. 5 kinds of rules. Imperative sentence. Now I am going to teach you how you change assertive to exclamatory. Look at the whiteboard right side. I have written 3 sentences. 3 sentences, assertive and exclamatory. Look at number 1. If the assertive sentence is affirmative, you will follow this structure. It has another rule. Assertive sentence has two types rule. First sentence has a or an, and next sentence has wish. First sentence, it is a very nice garden. If you change it from assertive to exclamatory, you will follow this structure. What a oblique an. Plus how plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus extension plus note of exclamation. When you start how or what, if the sentence has a or an, you can start what. and there is no a or an in a sentence, you will start how. Do you understand? Look at the sentence. It is a very nice garden. It is a very nice garden. It has a, so you can start what a according to structure, then plus adjective nice plus subject plus garden, what a nice garden, subject plus verb plus extension, it is plus note of exclamation. When you change assertive to exclamatory, verb will be last, then you set up note of exclamation, what a nice garden it is, according to structure. Number 2, the girl is very beautiful. It has no article a or an, so that you can start with how beautiful the girl is. You will follow the structure when you change it. Two type rules. First sentence has a or an, and second sentence there is no a or an. When there are two types of sentence, you will change in this way. Number 2, I wish I were a king. It is also assertive sentence. How will you change it? Exclamatory. You have to remind that when any assertive sentence has wish, you will use in a sentence if or had instead of wish. I wish I were a king. It has a wish. You can change if I were a king. First part subject and wish will be deleted. Then you add if or had and write later parts of the sentence. If you change it from had, you can write had I were a king. There is two ways, two rules. As you wish, when you change it, you can write if or had. Is there any problem? In this system, in this method, you will change from assertive to imperative and assertive to exclamatory. You must memorize the structure when you change from assertive to exclamatory and assertive to imperative. Is there any problem? If you has any question, you ask something. No more today. Thank everyone. Keep well at home and pray to Allah to remove coronavirus from the world. See you again next class. Goodbye.